Hey everybody, welcome back to Kirti Says and today we're talking about Bollywood fashion at Cannes. वैसे तो ये फेस्टिवल है मूवीज का, यहाँ पे स्क्रीनिंग्स होती हैं, बड़े बड़े स्टार्स आते हैं, अपना नया प्रोडक्ट दिखाते हैं सबको, लेकिन वी नो दैट द फैशन गेम इज स्ट्रॉन्ग हियर। बट क्या हमारे इंडियन स्टार्स का फैशन हाई था यहाँ पे या लो था? उसके ऊपर हम अभी बात करते हैं गाइस, लेकिन यू नो द ड्रिल, लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड लेट्स गेट टॉकिंग। So right off the bat, we have the lovely Kiara Advani. So here are the first two looks we are talking about. As you can see, बहुत ही अलग हैं ये दोनों styles. The first style is a creamy, billowy, deep neck gown with a thigh-high slit by Prabal Garang. And जो दूसरा look है, वो है एक orange sherbet peachy satin gown with ruching by Maison Alaya. So guys, I really love both of these looks. I know कभी-कभी लोगों को white boring लगता है, लेकिन मुझे white से कोई problem नहीं है. It's fresh, it's bright, it's youthful, especially on her. And अगर आप French Riviera पे हो, पानी के ऊपर हो, तो why not white? Especially if it billows the way this one does. यहाँ पे obviously कोई video नहीं है, तो मैं आपको दिखा नहीं सकती. लेकिन when the wind catches this gown, it flows. It literally looks like she's a cloud and she's floating away. And Kiara Advani का मेकअप कभी भी loud नहीं होता, कभी भी garish नहीं होता, तो मुझे ये बहुत अच्छी बात लगती है Kiara की. And ये जो orange look है, I am really into it. I know कुछ लोगों को ये अच्छा नहीं लगा, simple लगा है, plain लगा है, लेकिन मेरे लिए ये perfect look है because it is the summer guys. And summer पे आप summer color नहीं डालोगे तो कैसे चलेगा? तो यहाँ पे उसका orange, ये जो tangerine color है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा suit कर रहा है. Background के हिसाब से कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ये gown. And look at the body guys. It is contouring with her body, and I also love her makeup here. Once again, hair, once again, it's pulled back. The golden hoops accentuate the color against her skin, and uska jo peachy touch usne diya hai eyeshadow pe, lips pe. I just think it's a perfect look. And now, speaking for a perfect look, is there anything better than this third gown that Kiara wore? जो orange gown था, उसने ये interviews and press पे दिया था. Same with the white gown. Like this gown she wore to the red carpet. It is classic beauty here. From the hair to the makeup to the jewels to the clothes, I am in love. तो ये जो gown है, it's a baby pink corseted gown with a matching bow in the back, a black tulle skirt in like a mermaid shape with black lace gloves. And this is by Nendrit Tachiroglu. I think this is how you say the name. I apologize if it's not. लेकिन guys, वो सब छोड़ो, बस इसको देखो कितनी beautiful लग रही है. It's just mesmerizing. And जितना classic ये gown है, उतना playful भी है, guys. You know the Playboy bunny with the pink? That's how it looks like to me. She has it on her back. I think that's really cute. जो silhouette है, it's really classic. I think the gloves play it up a little bit. नहीं तो simple सा gown होता. So she's playing a little bit here. The pearls are looking really nice. Her makeup is understated. वो clash नहीं कर रही gown के साथ, surroundings के साथ. जितना चाहिए उतना दिया है यहाँ पे कियारा ने. ये जो updo है वो भी classic है, and obviously with the bangs in the front that changes it up a little bit, थोड़ा सा edge लेके आता है. So from Kiara, जिसने classic and simple approach रखा था यहाँ पे Cannes पे, दूसरी ओर आते हैं ऐश्वर्या के ऊपर. ऐश्वर्या ने बिल्कुल opposite route अपनाया है यहाँ पे. Forget about muted, forget about classic, forget about even chic, I have to say, guys. And Aishwarya was loud. I mean loud, guys. So here is her first look. Cream है, black है, gold है, लेकिन बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. I know there's only 3 colors, लेकिन फिर भी इतना over ये gown कर रहा है ना. It is by Falguni and Shane Peacock. So Falguni and Shane Peacock are doing the most. I mean the most. From the flower appliques that don't even stay against the gown. They are, pulling up at this train. And ये जो bustier है, वहाँ पे भी gold लगा हुआ है, armor type लग रहा है. It comes up to her face. Then she has this white puffy cape on. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि एक पीस उतरना चाहिए. ये जो white उसने cape डाला हुआ था वो निकलना चाहिए था, या ये जो हॉर्न्स खड़े किए हुए थे फ्रॉम द बूस्टिए, वो नीचे बिठाते। ये जो फ्लावर्स का उन्होंने लाइक I don't know, they look like lily pads, guys. वो हटाते थे, कुछ ये करते, लेकिन ये ना करते. You know, it was just too much. It was just too much. It wasn't flattering. अगर हम too much की बात करें तो उसका second look इससे भी ज्यादा है. Like अगर आपको लग रहा है कि इससे ज्यादा क्या हो सकता है, ये हो सकता है. This is her second outfit, guys. This is also by Shane and Falguni Peacock. Silver, teal, feathery. I can't even call it feathers. It's like that birthday party पे जो you know decorations होती है ना, या ब्याह शादियों में जो shimmery decorations होती हैं. That's what it was looking like. ऊपर से जितना है उतना ही नीचे से है. Train इतनी लंबी सी जा रही थी. And look at this, guys. She's over here next to Eva Longoria. ये red carpet में मिले थे. जप्पियां भी पाई थी, चीखें भी मारी थी इन्होंने एक दूसरे को देख के. That's all fine and dandy, but look at the difference. Aishwarya is doing the most here, and Eva Longoria is looking like a classic beauty. Like the style is amazing. And अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं, silver is too done and dusted, red carpet पे silver नहीं चलेगा, तभी मैंने दूसरी फोटो यहाँ रखी है Eva Longoria की. She is wearing Elie Saab here. It's like the same exact color combination जो ऐश्वर्या ने डाला था red carpet पे. यहाँ पे Eva Longoria ने same color combination अपनाया हुआ है. तो अगर color combination की बात है, look how beautiful it looks. You know, her body looks great. It's not too much. यहाँ पे भी silver details है. यहाँ पे भी कुछ चीजें उठ रही हैं from the bodice. लेकिन it's like, you know, minimal. It's minimal. And I have to say, I thought it was a big miss for Aishwarya. Aishwarya has been like the queen of cans. उसका like जो purplish peacock वाला अवतार था, वो कौन भूल सकता है. एक Disney princess वाला I think lavender सा कलर था, वो गाउन कैसे कोई भूलेगा. एक टाइम आई थी एक pinkish, you know, structural gown लेके, वो बहुत beautiful था. But ये क्या था? It wasn't working for me, guys. आप मुझे comment section में बताना if it was working for you. I just thought it was way too much. And अगर too much की बात करनी है, this girl, this woman, this actress is known for doing the most. Urvashi Rotela always does the most. Urvashi Rotela का motto है कि जितना करो उतना कम. The first look here is a magenta lace gown with gloves and a peekaboo bejeweled bustier. And the magenta ruffled structural, you know, attachment in the back. And ये जो second look है, I call this the vampire look. It's a nude gown with red detailing, red beading up on the bodice. पीछे एक red cape है, satin में ये work है. And this gown is by Suhair Al Gabsi. And जो पहला वाला ये magenta gown है, that is by Khalid and Marwan. Don't get me wrong, I've always loved, you know, vampire stories. Okay, I was Twilight fan. I was always Team Edward. तो मुझे vampire से कोई problem नहीं है. लेकिन यहाँ पे वो सीधे सीधे like old school Transylvania से transplant लग रही थी उर्वशी, and she had the same red makeup going on. And जो ये pink है, I think ये ना Margot Robbie से inspired थी, because she has the whole Barbie-con look going on. Okay, so that is it. लेकिन क्या मुझे ये इतने खास पसंद है ये looks? No. लेकिन अगर मुझे चूज करना पड़ेगा इन दोनों में से, तो मैं ये पिंक वाला चूज करूंगी over that red, you know, Phantom of the Opera situation. ये तो first two looks थी उर्वशी की, लेकिन जब उर्वशी आती है तो लुक पे लुक पे लुक देती है. तो यहाँ पे उसकी next two looks को देखते हैं. She has another magenta look. It is basically the same color as the other one. ये एक corseted gown है, satin में है, fur भी है यहाँ पे in the cape. It's by Dorada Gold Point. And जो ये black gown with midnight iridescent work, sparkly, she's looking like a whole universe, galaxy, जो भी आप कहना चाहें. ये gown है by Sylvia Romanok. And इतना मुझे ये look पसंद आया है कि मैंने यहाँ पे आपको उसका necklace भी दिखाया है. It is called the Dancing Fish. And you know, जहाँ तक उर्वशी की बात होती है, like I said, she does the most. Loud से loud color, loud से loud fabric, loud से loud makeup. लेकिन ये जो midnight blue black ensemble था इसका, I thought it was beautiful. I think उसका makeup भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. That necklace was amazing and the dress was so beautiful. I think this is the best probably Urvashi has looked, in my opinion, at the Cannes Festival. But that was the only look of hers that I loved. Urvashi se hatke, let's go to another star, and this is none other than Aditi Rao Hedri, the newly engaged Aditi Rao Hedri, जो हीरा मंडी में स्टार कर रही हैं, जिनका वॉक सिग्नेचर वॉक बन गया है, रील पोस्ट हो रही हैं. तो यहाँ पे हमारी अदिति वो भी कैंस फेस्टिवल में जाती है इन दिस लुक. It is a billowy, high-low, belted yellow floral print gown by Gauri and Nanika. She is very classic. Fun prints लेके आती है, लेकिन makeup is always classic. She doesn't clash. या मेकअप एंड हेयर पे फोकस होगा या गाउन पे होगा. एंड यहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि सारा का सारा फोकस गाउन पे जा रहा है. आई थिंक इट वाज रियली ब्यूटीफुल. जो उसकी ज्वेलरी है इज जस्ट गोल्ड इयररिंग्स, ड्रॉप इयररिंग्स. आई थिंक दैट्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल. आई लव फ्लोरल प्रिंट. तो मुझे तो ये गाउन बहुत अच्छा लगा है. ना ज्यादा है ना कम है. And Aditi का जो second look है, it's kind of reminiscent of Kiara's once again with the classic. Totally different feel from her first one, जहाँ पे पहला थोड़ा fun and flirty था. ये classic में जाता है. ये एक monochromatic look है, consisting of a black off-the-shoulder gown with a white satin peplum, floor length attachment. I just think Aditi looks really good here. A complete departure है. अभी हीरा मंडी में हमने उनको देखा था bedazzled and bejeweled, head to toe. And यहाँ पे completely different aesthetic है. And अगर हम हीरा मंडी की बात कर रहे हैं, तो let's talk about another star from हीरा मंडी जो बहुत ही ज्यादा popular हो रहे हैं. The girls are fawning over him. Yes, I am talking about none other than Taha Shah. Different looks हैं. They're all, suited and booted, but they're still very different from each other. तो ये जो पहला look है ताहा का, it is a blue jacket with a white shirt and black trousers by Kanishk Mehta. जो second look है, it's a see-through plaid black jacket and trouser, once again by Kanishk Mehta. And जो तीसरी look है, that's a blush pink suit with white shirt by Kashmir by Amit Dhawan. आपकी फेवरेट कौन सी है ये तो मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन मैं अपनी फेवरेट आपको जरूर बता सकती हूँ. एंड दैट इज ऑब्वियसली द ब्लैक लुक. आई थिंक ब्लैक इज अ वेरी सेक्सी कलर. दिस इज अ वेरी सेक्सी मैन. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा मैच हो रहा है. आई थिंक ही हैज a thing about him, like a swag about him. खासकर इस फोटो में, I think they have done a very good job with taking these photos, guys. It just looks effortless. हर एक look में he has different shades going on, but my favorite look is this dark one. उसके बाद मैं blush वाला choose करूँगी. And ये जो blue वाला look था, it was pretty forgettable. पिछले साल अगर आपने हमें follow किया था तो आपको पता है कि हमने Cannes में राही चड्ढा के ऊपर बहुत बात की थी because राही चड्ढा like killed it. He had different looks and यहाँ इस साल भी ये different looks लेके आए हैं. So these are his first two looks. They are very different from each other, very different from what Taha did. I know Rahi is a model, तो ये different कपड़े wear करते हैं, carry off भी कर लेते हैं, comfortable भी होंगे. So the first look is a black and white YSL number. It's sheer fabric. If you have a body like his, I guess show it off with like a black scarf detail. There's a belt and that's like a satin color. And then obviously he paired it with a white jacket. Okay. ये जो second look है, it's like a oversized armor studded look, jacket है, coat है, पता नहीं क्या है, with black trousers by Loire. ये जो brown look है उसमें ये जो necklace डाला है, I thought that was really fun. Guys, once again, Rahi Chadda has the face. He has the look. He knows how to pose. तो जो भी ये डालते हैं बहुत अच्छा लगता है. लेकिन this brown armadillo situation, I'm not really feeling it. But that black and white YSL outfit, I really like it. ये जो third and fourth looks हैं राही की, they're also black and white. एक तरफ उन्होंने डाला हुआ है a white cutout floral shirt with cream oversized jacket and trousers by Michael Kors. And then दूसरी तरफ है an all black ensemble with high-waisted trousers and a black studded black jacket by Michael Cinco. जो black look है is reminding me of like a matador situation क्योंकि of the cut and the length of the jacket and just the shoulder detail. And then जो दूसरा है Michael Kors का look, it's very understated except that floral cutout shirt I really like. अब आते हैं एक feel good story पे जिसके ऊपर बहुत बातें हो रही हैं और होनी भी चाहिए। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नैन्सी त्यागी। ये एक फैशन व्लॉगर इन्फ्लुएंसर है फ्रॉम यूपी। ये इसने खुद अपनी स्टाइलिंग की है, खुद अपने आउटफिट्स बनाए हैं एंड कैंस पे छा गई है। एक तरफ उन्होंने गाउन बना के पहना था, एक तरफ साड़ी। तो दैट्स अ बेबी पिंक tiered tulle gown with a sequin bodice and matching satin gloves, and then you have a silver light lavender lilac color sari with silver beading. Once again guys, इन्होंने खुद डिजाइन किया है, खुद बनाया है, खुद स्टाइल किया है और खुद पहन के आई हैं। सो दैट इज लाइक अ बिग 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 विन फॉर हर। आई थिंक ये जो ऐसी स्टोरीज है they're really fun because ये कहाँ से आई हैं और कहाँ तक पहुंची हैं। आई एम रियली श्योर अब इनको बहुत काम भी मिलेगा, रिकग्निशन तो मिली ही है। फील गुड बातों के ऊपर अगर हम आ ही रहे हैं तो इनके ऊपर भी बात कर लेते हैं। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सुनंदा शर्मा। सुनंदा शर्मा पंजाबी इंडस्ट्री को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हैं। शी इज द फर्स्ट पंजाबी स्टार टू गो टू कैन्स। शी रिप्रेजेंटेड पंजाब एंड इंडियन हेरिटेज वेरी वेल हियर। आप देख सकते हैं कि दोनों सूट्स डाले हैं, एक थोड़ा सा अनारकली टियर्ड फ्रॉक सूट टाइप हो गया, दूसरी तरफ एक पंजाबी सूट हो गया। एक तरफ क्रीम है बाय IKEA, दूसरी तरफ रेड है विद सिल्वर वर्क ऑन इट बाय सैगीफुल बाय तुलिका हीर। गाइस अगर आपको पता नहीं है सुनंदा शर्मा कौन है तो मैं गा के सुनाऊं उसका रियल फेमस गाना। मेरी मां नू पसंद नहीं है तू, मैं दसा तेनू, मैं फिर भी तेनू चांदिया, मैं फिर भी तेनू चांदिया। ओके सो दैट इज सुनंदा शर्मा। अगर आप इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं तो इट जस्ट मेक्स सेंस टू वेयर समथिंग इंडियन। शी लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल, हेयर मेकअप ऑन पॉइंट। आते हैं थर्ड फील गुड स्टोरी पे। दिस इज एन असमीज एक्ट्रेस जो कैंस पे आई थी। इन्होंने भी असम को, इंडिया को बखूबी रिप्रेजेंट किया है बाय वेयरिंग saris, 3 different saris, 3 different looks. जो first look है वो एक traditional Assamese print है in Muga silk, and the outfit is called the Mekla Sador, I think, and it's by Jutika. जो middle वाला look है, it's a black and white striped sari with stonework border, a long sleeve print blouse with floral print and stonework, and obviously in a patchwork pattern by Adityams. And then you have a black silk sari with rose print and gold work with a red ruffled shoulder cape by, once again, Adityams. मुझे लगता है कि Amy over here, उनका नाम Amy है, she has done a really good job representing herself so well. अगर मुझे पिक करना हो कि मुझे कौन सा लुक सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है, then I would say the middle one. I am a fan of black and white. I'm a fan of floral prints. तो मुझे ये वाला लुक बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा है. And look at that, guys. She has flowers and gajras in like every look. सिंदूर भी इन्होंने पहना हुआ है. So I just think it's really cool. तो इनके बाद आते हैं टू इन्फ्लुएंसर जिसकी फैन मैं पिछले साल बनी थी at Cannes. I thought she killed it last year. So I was very excited to see her here. This is none other than Niharika NM. So these are the first 2 looks by Niharika NM. जो पहली look है, that's a neon yellow off the shoulder gown with a cape sleeve detail that is in an asymmetrical, only comes on off of one side by Safia. And जो ये दूसरा look है, that's a cream off the shoulder gown with silver stonework and a white satin cape by Monica Ivana. तो बहुत ही different styles हैं ये, बहुत ही different looks हैं ये। एक तरफ एक everyday kind of a look hai. Actually, it's not every day, but maybe not like, so like powwow, and then दूसरी तरफ है एक gown जो किसी भी आप रेड कार्पेट पे पहन सकते हैं या अवार्ड्स शो में जाके पहन सकते हैं. इट्स अ रियली 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 नाइस लुकिंग गाउन. मुझे दोनों लुक्स पसंद है. आई लव दिस नियॉन येलो कलर. वंस अगेन इट्स समर. Take advantage of that. Wear the brightest colors and look, it's done in a solid way. So yahan pe it's not overdone. And once again, Niharika has the most aesthetic pictures, guys. Dark backdrop ke upar aapne neon yellow pehna hua hai. Look at that contrast. It looks magnificent. And then दूसरी तरफ जैसे different style of gown है तो उनकी posing भी change हो जाती है. Okay, so it's a much more classic posing, and look at the stack of jewelry around her neck and chest. It's so beautiful. So ये जो next 2 looks हैं, they're very different from the first 2. The first look is a deep purple net gown with sequin bodice by Marchesa, and जो last look है उनकी is a red sari with lace work and a red net cape with lace work around the border by Mishru. I really like that red sari. There's something about Indian women going to Cannes and wearing their Indian attire. I just think that looks really, really cool, really beautiful. You're representing your heritage, so that's really nice. लेकिन guys, क्या आपको इसकी साड़ी देख के किसी की याद आई है? मुझे यहाँ पे प्रियंका चोपड़ा जोनस की शादी की याद आई है. You know, her red जोड़ा she was wearing at her sari was very similar to this, except obviously she had like a 50 million foot long train. यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे वो फील आ रहा था, पता नहीं क्यों. ये जो Marchesa gown है, I think it's fine. Like, I don't think it's so special. I think she could have done way better. Here we have another recognizable face. I hope getting more and more popular. हाल ही में इनकी movie release हुई थी called Monkey Man with Dev Patel and Sikandar Kher. तो ये है शोभिता का first look, guys. It is a purple bedazzled jumpsuit by Namrata Joshipura. I think she looks fabulous. Look at her hair. It's wild. It's untamed. The curls are on loose. ये जो cutout है in the front of the jumpsuit. मुझे करिश्मा कपूर की याद आ गई from दिल तो पागल है. Okay, she had the same, you know, crisscross with the ring going on. मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पे शोभिता could really go into a Ushup Uttam, you know, disco era song. या जो करण जौहर का ही ले लो. Disco Divane. Aha. This is a really beautiful color. She looks really sexy, guys. And अगर सेक्सी की बात कर रहे हैं, शोभिता की बात कर रहे हैं, डिस्को की बात कर रहे हैं, तो उसका सेकंड लुक भी देख लेते हैं. It's basically the same vibes. Totally different color, but the same sequins, you know, sexiness going on. It's like a bronze color, yeah, antique gold, samajh lo. It is body hugging, floor length gown, basically like a molten gold, guys. She literally looks like कि किसी ने gold लिया है and इसके ऊपर डाल दिया है, and the gold has formed around her body. और इतना gold उसने पहना हुआ है, तो the makeup is muted, the hair is muted, but I do think the purple look was better. Lekin once again, this was like gold molten lava on her body. She's looking fabulous. Fabulous की बात करें तो एक और एक्ट्रेस का जिक्र यहाँ मैं करूंगी. That is none other than Jacqueline Fernandez. ये जो color है, it is like a champagne. It's off the shoulder. There's linear sequence from one side of the body going towards the other. जैसे मैंने शोभिता के लिए कहा था, यहाँ पे भी लग रहा है कि like literally it is molten around her body. The body looks amazing, and this gown is by Namita Alexander. Once again, guys, जब आप कैंस पे जाते हैं, जरूरी नहीं है that you need to do the mostest, the biggest, and the rufflest, and the bedazzledest, and the featherest. You know what I mean? You don't need to do all of that. You can do this. Look at that gown. Look at that hair. Look at that makeup. It is beautiful, refreshing, chic, and once again, the body, guys. Like, it's sickening. Like, absolutely sickening. Okay, वो था Jacqueline का पहला look. अब second look पे आते हैं. It's totally different feels, guys. Look at this. You are in the French Riviera in the summer. This is perfect for it. It is a white net dress with the white lace floral work, a white bandeau underneath. It is looking so good. And once again, guys, ये अपनी पूरी team लेके जाते हैं. So the photography is great. The, you know, locales are great. Look at how great that dress looks. You know, you can see the Martinez hotel in the back. They're by the water. Do you need anything else? Doesn't that dress make you want to go to the French Riviera? And अगर French Riviera नहीं जा सकते तो आपके घर के पास कोई नदी होगी, वहाँ पे चली जाओ and वो dress डाल लो and you will look great. Let's go to another guy, guys, that was all over Cannes this week. This is Indian influencer Ankush Baguna. He had a lot of looks going on. लेकिन ये first look थी उसकी. It's like a purple kurta pajama, I guess कहना चाहिए, with like a very colorful, you know, jacket over the top of it by Dorani. He also has the matching color eyeshadow in his brows, so he is doing it, guys. He's there having fun And here are his other looks. There's so many of them. There's a cream suit by Abhishek Sharma. Like Rahi Chadda, he also has like a scarf stole situation. Then you have a black jacket with floral print and studding. That is by Rajdeep Branavat. And then you have a white jacket with floral applique and black trousers by Rosani. So guys, हर एक look बहुत ही different है. You go from the Indian kurta pajama look to this floral jacket look to like a dinner jacket situation, and then like a casual white cream suit. So I think they were really cool looks. लेकिन मेरे favorite जो हैं वो colorful looks ही हैं. I thought that was really fun. And यहाँ पे अगर detailing की बात करो, look at his nails. He has them painted to go with the color. Look at the aesthetics once again. I just really like it. Diffused lighting. I think it's really cool. Okay, let's go to another influencer now. We have Deepti Sadhwani. These are her first two looks. Like orange Anchal Day couture gown. She broke the record with the longest train. So आप देख सकते हैं, it's like a feathery orange train, a tangerine color, perfect for the summer. And then you have a champagne colored off the shoulder sequin gown with a chocolate colored cape. ओके जिसमें स्ट्रक्चर भी है, रफल भी है, बाय निकिता टंडन. तो ये थे इनकी पहली दो लुक्स. मुझे शैम्पेन लुक ज्यादा पसंद है. आई थिंक इट्स मोर म्यूटेड एंड अंडरस्टेटेड, तो मुझे वो लुक ज्यादा अच्छी लगी है. And then we'll go to the other two looks of hers, which are these. Totally different from the first two, okay? यहाँ पे एक sequined mermaid shaped gown है with yellow feather train by Michael Cinco, and then you have a green and cream tulip print sari. It's kind of tiered. That's looking really cool. A deep V neck by Papa Don't Preach. Now what a fabulous brand name, Papa Don't Preach. So I have to say मुझे ये साड़ी बहुत अच्छी लगी है. It's like one of those things that you can wear, whenever, walking down the street, walking to work or whatever. I think I really like that. लेकिन out of the gowns she wore, ये जो orange gown था इनका, ये जो champagne gown है इनका, और ये जो yellow feathered look है, मुझे ये वाला सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा है because I am a fan of color. And मैं बार बार कह रही हूँ summer है, summer colors डालो. It looks really cool, so I really like that. And it's not too much. The feathers are towards the bottom of the gown on the train, and then the bodice is all, bejeweled. It's on silver, and it's body hugging, so, it looks great. Okay, तो उनको छोड़ के जाते हैं to another influencer, guys. This is Masoom Meenawala Mehta, and जो इन्होंने पहला लुक डाला था ना इंस्टाग्राम पे, इट किल्ड मी. लाइक आई लव्ड इट. अगर आपने मेरा मैट गैला का वीडियो देखा होगा, वहां पे भी मुझे एक लुक बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा लगा था. दैट वाज शकीरा's red number she had going on, and once again here is a red number that really took my breath away. This is by Amit Agarwal. Yeah, Amit Agarwal's signature all over it, guys. You can tell it's him. Okay, it's a red gown with oversized structured cape. It's like a column dress, and then you have that tiered, skirt around it. So वो बहुत अच्छा है. I love her jewels. The jewels don't compete with the dress. Look at those stilettos. I just love it. So her other looks are good, but none were as amazing as this one. लेकिन फिर भी बात करनी चाहिए उसके दूसरे looks पे. So here are her other looks. We have an emerald green gown with draping and sleeves. In like a satin fabric by Victoria Beckham. And then you have this silver off-the-shoulder ruched gown with a gathered skirt by Marmar Halim. Okay, and I have to say I love the emerald green color. Like, I'm not sure, guys. I might be wrong. Like, it looks like she's cradling the belly, so maybe she's expecting. Masoom ke baad jaate hain Asta Shah pe. These are her first two looks. A chocolate off-the-shoulder gown with sequined bodice and scattered sequencing on the skirt by Dolly J. And then a chartreuse gown and corset with asymmetrical neckline by Fawad Sarkis. Very different looks and very well done, I have to say. Jo pehla look hai, she looks like a Disney princess in front of, like, her home, her castle. Like, the whole Belle from Beauty and the Beast. That's the vibes it's giving because French, obviously. And then the chartreuse gown, very different color than what others are wearing, and aesthetically done. Like, ये जो फोटो है बैंड पे बैठ के खींची हुई है, and look at it, it looks beautiful. So she did it really well. एंड ये मैं क्यों मेंशन कर रही हूँ क्योंकि किसी और ने भी फोटो डाली थी sitting in a vehicle and it wasn't done in a very aesthetic manner. And then these are her last two look. एक है black sari with silver beaded work on the blouse and silver detailed pallu by Kritika Chabra. And then you have an orange and cream gown. Basically, she's looking like an orange creamsicle and an orange bustier with floral appliques by Supriya Munjal. First look, second look, third look, fourth look, very different silhouettes, very different colors, very different feels. लेकिन I have to tell you, ये जो mermaid वाला gown उसने पहना हुआ है, like जो mermaid feel दे रहा है, this orange one, मुझे लगा कि wow, you know, she did like makeup to make her body match, you know, the clothes a little bit. लेकिन then you realize that damn, that is sunburn, guys. She is very sunburned. That has got to hurt. No pain, no gain. Okay, so I promised you that there was another person who took a picture in a vehicle. So ye hai wo. Okay, you have RJ Karishma in the top two photos with, you know, the silver sari on the side, and then you have Namita Thapar in the bottom two looks. So pehle hum karte hain baat RJ Karishma ki. She's wearing a blush sequins gown with pink and gray lining detail. This is by Noor by Niharika. And then her silver sequins and mirror work sari with a full sleeve blouse by Abhinav Mishra. First off the bat, I want to say कि मुझे ये silver sari बहुत अच्छी लगी है. She looks like a full on disco ball. ये जो या disco ball नहीं, मुझे New Year's ball कहना चाहिए, guys. अगर आप अमेरिका से हैं, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Every New Year's Eve at Times Square, the ball drops. You know that is what she's looking like right now. And then guys, ये मैं गाड़ी की फोटो मैंने इसलिए डाली है क्योंकि अगर आपने गाड़ी में फोटो खिंचानी है तो प्लीज आस्था शाह जैसे करना and करिश्मा जैसे नहीं, because that dress you can't see it. It's not aesthetically done. And जहाँ नमिता की बात करें, so this is the purple number with magenta earrings, and then you have this light blue sweetheart neckline with puffy sleeves by Elio Abu Faisal. Not really much to say other than that. इनके बाद आते हैं हम Shahana Goswami पे. You guys know her, right? A fabulous actress. So she had a few looks. The first look is a black gown and black oversized belted jacket with black beading by Rohit Gandhi and Rahul Khanna. Then you have a black wide leg suit with neon pink and green floral print by Til. And then you have a champagne sari and draping with silver studded blouse. मुझे इनका ये ब्लाउज बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा लगा है. The beaded work, the silver work was really nice, and ये champagne color I guess was a very popular color at Cannes this year. But that black look is my favorite, guys. ये जो black oversized jacket, belt उन्होंने use की है to cinch and enhance the waistline. You know, the bustier is very simple. Those huge silver earrings, they're really good. So I really like that look. Okay, last slide पे बहुत से लोग हैं क्योंकि बहुत से लोग कैन से पहुंचे हैं, लेकिन इनके फैशन के ऊपर मैं बात नहीं ज्यादा करूंगी, लेकिन मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी ये लोग कौन कौन है, because I think it's cool to mention them. You have Pratik Babbar जो कैंस पे पहुंचे थे अपनी मॉम को सेलिब्रेट करने. The late great Smita Patil, उनकी मूवी प्रीमियर हुई थी वहां पे from years ago, and that is also why Ratna Pathak Shah and Nasruddin Shah were there. Then you have Gautam Gulati and you have Prabhu Deva. Just like Pratik Babbar, they are also wearing black. Black, you guys, you can't go wrong with it. Then you have Terrence Lewis. Thank goodness, उन्होंने black नहीं डाला है, लेकिन guys, a classic blue suit. You know, you can't go wrong with that either. Then you have Shantanu Maheshwari. अगर आपको नहीं पता, the fabulous Shantanu Maheshwari जो एक dancer भी रहा है, जिन्होंने गंगूबाई में भी काम किया था with Alia and stood his own, that one. And then you have Chaya Kadam from Lapata Ladies, जिन्होंने beautiful sari पहनी थी at the French Riviera. This was the Indian contingent at Cannes. I'm sure I probably missed a couple people. Like, guys, this video is super long, and I don't know how much time you have to sit there and watch me, right? तो आप मुझे बताना comment section में आपको कौन सा celebrity ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा है, किसका style अच्छा लगा है. मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि ऐश्वर्या को नया stylist चाहिए. Those gowns just killed me. Once again, I think Kiara did very well. I think Jacqueline did very well, and I think Aditi did very well. लेकिन Shobita was really cool as well with her disco attire, guys. That's it for me. हम next time मिलेंगे, लेकिन जाने से पहले like करके जाना, subscribe करके जाना and share भी करना. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.